Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mechanical Motivator. In this video, we're going to see apprenticeship training for mechanical, civil and electrical engineer. Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited (HPCL) has now released a notification inviting apprenticeship training for a 1 year for three departments, that is mechanical, civil and electrical. So I will be giving the link or PDF in the description, so that once you click that you can open the PDF and can see the all details regarding it. So let us go into the video. When you scroll down, you first go to HPCL official website. There you can see all these things. When you scroll down, you can see like corporate updates, like application for apprenticeship marketing. So you have to click on this. So when you click on this, you can see here a notification for engagement of graduate apprenticeship at NHPC Limited. So you have to click on this icon. So once you click on, a PDF will be asking like you want to download or not. So you can download a PDF. So now I will be explaining what are the details in the PDF. So notification for graduate apprenticeship under Apprenticeship Training Act of 1961. Now they are asking for an apprenticeship training for 1 year. So these are the departments are eligible: civil, electrical, mechanical, IT or computer science, and training period is 1 year. Graduate engineer or BTech in respective discipline, 4 years of course from AICT approved institution through regular mode. Let us see the eligibility. You must have education qualification and have a 4 years of engineering degree and in respective departments. Age limit should be 18 to 30. Relaxation for SC, ST, OBC, NCL will be as per the government norms, and applicants who have already completed 3 years and having passing the qualification degree as on 1/1/2022 are not eligible to apply. So before completing your final year, you can't apply for this training. And one more thing is, in case if you have already completed this apprenticeship training or terminated during the midway, means you are not eligible to apply again. So you will be giving a stipend of 9,000 per month as per the government norms for 1 year. And according to government act, all the things will be followed. And there will be a video link on this. Actually, if you type this, you can see how to apply and what are the details. For the details, it will be useful for you. And one more thing is, the selection will not create or confer any a confirmation for appointment in NHPC after completing of your training. And selected candidates will not be provided any accommodation. They have to make their own arrangements, so plan accordingly. You have to apply in the NOTS portal, that is www.mhrds.notsgovernment.in. So it's predominantly one. You have to apply and give you all your details. If you want to go any government organized training, means you have to apply in that portal. So once you click the link, it will be directed to you, and I also posted few videos regarding it. You can also refer that, and you have to fill everything and submit, and it has to reach them on or by 7/12/2021. So you have to take the printout of the apprenticeship application form and send along with the passport size photograph and all self-attested certificate of educational qualification, BTech mark sheet certificate, and community certificate, and copy of Aadhaar card, PAN card, etc. through speed post by hand till 7/12/2021. So this is the address where you want to send. Just make a note of it. Senior manager, this is the address. Kindly make a note of it. And selection procedure. See, the eligible or shortlisted candidates will be issued the call letter through the mail for interview, intimating the date, time, and venue. And selection will be based on your mark and performance in interview and successful verification of your document. The weightage is provided as 20% to your education qualification, 40% to the personal interview, and 40% to technical qualification during the final selection. And selected candidates will be required to submit a medical fitness certificate issued by Government of India. No TADA will be provided for personal interview or verification of document. So these are the things which you have to keep in your mind, and this is the document which you have to fill by your hand and send through speed post. You have to fix your passport size photograph. So if you feel this video is useful means kindly share this video to mechanical, electrical and civil graduates they may be making use of it. And do subscribe our channel Mechanical Motivator and stay tuned with our channel. We will be bringing all job opportunities to your doorstep. Thanks for watching this video. Have a great day.